Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use AfterPay at Sam's Club store. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am on AfterPay website. So you have to download the AfterPay application, so you can just go to your iOS app store, or if you're on an Android device, just go to Google Play Store and download the AfterPay application. So this is how you use AfterPay at Sam's Club store. So just download the AfterPay app and search for Sam's Club, and then just open the Sam's Club store and start shopping. So then just check out with AfterPay and choose how to pay, and you will get all the benefits that you would get with AfterPay for Sam's Club store. So this is how you use AfterPay with Sam's Club store. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.